Howdy! Michael, the Mercedes guy here, and here's a little shop tip that you can do. Now, when you got your baling wire that you use for doing all kinds of things, you're always having to grab the roll and mess with it, unwind it, and so on. What you do, get yourself a piece of tubing. And mount it up here on the wall. Run your wire through it. And onto your screw or nail or whatever, and there you go. You just pull out the length of wire you need and cut it off. Bend the end when you're done cutting to be out of your way. That way, you got a dispenser, works all the time.